Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a "You may also like related products" section to your Shopify store. This feature helps customers discover additional products they might be interested in, which can increase engagement, improve the shopping experience, and even boost your average order value. The good news is that most Shopify themes already include this feature, so you can enable it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click Themes. Find your current theme and select Customize to open the theme editor. Once the editor opens, use the page selector at the top to switch to Products, then choose Default Product. This allows you to edit the layout that applies to all of your product pages. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll through the available sections and look for Related Products, Product Recommendations, or a similarly named section. If it's already there but disabled, simply turn it on. If you don't see it, click Add Section and select Related Products from the list. Once the section is added, customize the settings to match your store. You can change the heading to something like "You may also like," "Recommended for you," or "Customers also bought." Most Shopify themes also let you choose how many products are displayed, the number of columns, and how they're arranged on the page. Adjust these settings while watching the live preview until you're happy with the appearance. Many Shopify themes automatically generate recommendations based on your store's product data, collections, purchase history, or similar items. This means you usually don't have to manually select products for every page. As your catalog grows, the recommendations can become more relevant, helping customers discover products they may not have found otherwise. When you're happy with the design, click Save in the top right corner. Then open one of your product pages to confirm that the Related Products section appears correctly below the main product information. If your current theme doesn't include a built-in Related Products section, you can install a product recommendation app from the Shopify App Store. Simply go to Apps, open the Shopify App Store, search for Related Products or Product Recommendations, install an app with good reviews, and complete its setup. Most apps can automatically display recommendations without requiring any coding. After enabling the feature, preview several different product pages instead of just one. Since recommendations are generated dynamically, each product may display a different set of related items. This helps you verify that the recommendations make sense across your catalog. It's also important to test your store on both desktop and mobile devices. Make sure the recommendations load properly, the product images display correctly, and the section doesn't overlap with your Add to Cart button or other important content. A clean layout makes the recommendations much more effective. For even better results, keep your products organized into accurate collections and use consistent product tags. Shopify's recommendation engine and many recommendation apps rely on this information to display products that are genuinely related, leading to a better shopping experience and potentially more sales. And that's it. That's how to add a "You may also like related products" section to your Shopify store. With just a few simple steps, you can encourage customers to explore more products, increase product visibility, and potentially raise your average order value. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.